talking to you about some basic diet tips for diabetics. So just because you're diabetic doesn't mean you have to starve. It's all about meal planning and taking healthy, well-rounded meals which make you feel both satiated and energetic. So I'll be talking about millets today. So millets are these grains that we have been using in India for many years, centuries even. So there are many types of millets like pearl, barnyard, foxtail, and I'm sure quite a few more. So what are these millets? They're basically small whole grains. There are other things too like barley, jowar, so all of these come under the same category. How are they healthier than, let's say, polished rice? They are unprocessed or very minimally processed, so they have their barn and germ covering intact. So how are these grains useful to diabetics? So here we need to know a bit about something called glycemic index. So this is a parameter which says how fast a particular food item is converted into glucose in your body. So if something is digested and converted into glucose very fast, that is not so good for either a normal person and even more so for a diabetic. So these whole grains are going to be digested more slowly, so their glycemic index is low, so they prevent that rise in post-meal blood sugar, they prevent that sharp rise in post-meal insulin. So a lot of studies have also found that they have benefits towards reducing glucose, they have benefits towards reducing insulin levels and insulin resistance. But eating these things once in a while may not make much of a difference, so it's better to incorporate these grains into our regular daily meals and probably just cut rice down to one meal per day. So how do you include these things? You can include them in your regular, let's say, dosa idli batter. You can make them into upmas. You can have it instead of boiled rice, wheat. So basically this is about making your meal much more nutritionally balanced and fulfilling. There are a lot of ways in which these things can actually help you with your blood glucose control. So definitely look into millets, look into other similar grains and grain-like food items like, let's say, barley, jowar, quinoa. So all of these are now found to be much more beneficial than conventional grains like rice and even to an extent wheat in diabetes. So happy Diabetes Day, everyone. Thank you.